So in part 2, we learned what the acronym SMART stands for. So today I'm going to provide you with an example. Then you will be able to successfully create your own SMART goals. So oftentimes people do not reach their goals is because they are too vague. They don't provide you with enough information. So for example, you might say, I'm going to drink more water as one of your goals. However, this is very vague. So how much water? Okay. Are you going to drink a gallon, 3 cups, and for how long, etc.? A SMART goal is one that says something like, I'm going to drink 1 cup of coffee or pop a day and drink at least 3 glasses of water a day for 2 weeks. Now, this is a SMART goal because it is specific. Okay, it's measurable because it has specifically 3 cups. Now, it's actionable because it's doable, as opposed to you saying, I'm going to drink 3 gallons of water a day. It's relevant because obviously this person is trying to limit the amount of coffee or pop that they are taking in during the day, and they definitely want to increase their water. And then lastly, it's timely because it lasts for 2 weeks. Okay, so at the end of 2 weeks, then you will be able to determine whether or not you were successful with that goal. Now, if you were not successful with that goal, you will then be able to tweak it. You can then go back and look specifically at the area that needs adjusting. So, for example, maybe 2 cups of water is going to be a little bit more doable for you at this starting point. Okay, so now you try. Comment below a SMART goal.